everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Meezan Bank online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.meezanbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of the Meezan Bank. Meezan Bank is a Pakistan-based Islamic bank with over 800 branches in more than 240 cities across the country. It offers a wide range of Islamic financial products and services including consumer banking, corporate banking, investment banking, and wealth management. From the official web page, to log into your online banking account, go and mouse over to the top right hand corner where it says Internet Banking Login. From the options, where it says Login and Register, if you don't have an account yet online for Meezan Bank, you can click on the register link in order to register yourself for an internet banking first. If you already have an account, click the login link, and on the next page, you need to enter your username and your password associated with your internet banking. Start off by typing in your correct username in the first text box. If you'd like the system to remember your username, check this Remember Username box, or if you don't want to do that, leave it unchecked, and on the next field, type in your correct password for your account. Select one of the security images from the options and click the login button in order to access to your Meezan internet banking account online. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.